Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to add fonts to Google Slides in 2025, making your presentations pop with style and personality. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves creative slides, this is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First things first, open Google Slides by heading to slides.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in your presentation, select the text you want to customize. This could be a title, bullet point, or any text box. Now, look at the top toolbar for the font drop-down menu. It's usually right next to the bold and italic options. Click on it, and you'll see a list of default fonts. But if you want more variety, scroll down and select More Fonts at the bottom of the menu. This opens a new window where you can explore Google Fonts' massive library. In 2025, it's even easier with improved search features. Just type in a font name, filter by category like serif or sans serif, or even by language support. Once you find the perfect one, click the plus button to add it to your collection. Head back to your slide, select your text again, and now you'll see your new font in the drop-down menu. Choose it, and watch your text transform instantly. Pro tip: if you're sharing your presentation, make sure to test it in preview mode, as Google Fonts are web-based and work seamlessly for collaborators. One common issue? If a font doesn't show up, double-check your internet connection or refresh the page. That's it. You're all set to elevate your slides. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your font recommendations. See you in the next video.